How to craft potions in Terraria. First, you cannot craft potions at a regular workbench, so you need to create a placed bottle station. And to do this, just basically craft a generic bottle, just like this, using glass, and just simply place the bottle anywhere. It could be like on top of a surface, or on top of a workbench, or platform. So let's try to put it right here. And as you can see, the crafting menu will automatically update with potion recipes. So if I remove this, so I have the orange skin potion right here. But if I remove the potion on the platform, the potion recipe is now gone. But if I place it again, as you can see, it comes right back up. So just make sure that you have some bottled water, since almost every potion requires bottled water as the base ingredient. So if you want some bottled water, just stand beside a body of water. Open up your crafting menu, make sure that you have a normal bottle. And as you can see, you can craft the bottled water from your crafting menu just like that. Now go back to your station, and just also do note that you could also do this with the alchemy table. It's just that with the alchemy table, there is a 33 chance to not consume potion crafting ingredients. So here, let's try to make some iron skin potion. So it requires 1 bottled water, 1 day bloom, and 1 iron ore. And just like that, I now have the iron skin potion. And that is how I basically craft potions in Terraria.